Seconds to go. Start. Namaskar ji. You all made your point on many important issues in the country's fight against corona. Just 2 days ago, I had the opportunity to discuss this issue with all the respected chief ministers of the Northeast too. I am talking specifically to those states where the situation is worrisome. Friends, in the last 1.5 years, the country has fought such a massive pandemic only with mutual cooperation and united efforts. The way all the state governments have tried to learn from each other, understand the best practices, and cooperate with each other is commendable, and we can say from experience that we can achieve victory in this fight only with such efforts. Friends, you are all aware that we are at a juncture where the fear of a third wave is being expressed regularly. The way the number of cases had come down in most of the states of the country provided some psychological relief. In view of this downward trend, experts were also expecting that the country would be completely out of the second wave soon. But the increasing number of cases in some states still remains worrying. Friends, 6 states are with us today for this discussion. About 80% of the new cases have come from your states in the last week. 84% of tragic deaths have also occurred in these states. Initially, experts were assuming that where the second wave originated, the situation would be under control much earlier than other states. But cases are rising continuously in Maharashtra and Kerala. This is indeed a matter of serious concern for all of us and for the country. You all are aware that similar trends were seen in January February before the second wave as well. Therefore, the apprehension naturally increases that the situation may become difficult if it is not brought under control soon. It is very important that the states where cases are increasing will have to take proactive measures to prevent any possibility of the third wave. Friends, experts say the possibility of mutation in the coronavirus and the risk of new variants increase if cases continue to rise for a longer time. Therefore, it is absolutely necessary to take effective steps against corona to prevent the third wave. The strategy in this direction is the same which you have adopted in your states, and the entire country has implemented it, and we also have an experience of it. It is also a tested and proven method for you. We have to move forward by focusing our strategy on test, track, and treat along with vaccines. We have to pay special attention to micro containment zones. There should be more focus on the districts where the positive rate is high and from where the increasing numbers of cases are being reported. When I was talking to my colleagues in the Northeast, one thing emerged that some states did not impose lockdown, and instead they put a lot of emphasis on the micro containment zones, and because of this they could control the situation. Testing should be increased as much as possible in the entire state with special attention on such districts. In the districts where there is more infection, the vaccine is also a strategic tool for us. The difficulties arising out of corona can be dealt with the effective use of vaccines. Many states are also using this window of opportunity this time to increase their RT PCR testing capacity. This is also a commendable and necessary step. The increase in RT PCR testing can be very effective in stopping the virus. Friends, funds are being made available to all the states of the country for creating new ICU beds, increasing the testing capacity, and for all other requirements. Recently, the central government has also released an emergency COVID response package of more than 23,000 crores rupees. I would like this budget to be utilized for further strengthening the health infrastructure, bridging whatever infrastructural gaps are in the states expeditiously, and especially in rural areas where we need to pay more attention. Similarly, it is equally important to strengthen the network of IT systems, control rooms, and call centers in all the states because then the data of resources and its information is available to the citizens in a transparent manner. Patients and relatives do not have to run helter skelter for treatment. Friends, I am told that out of the 332 PSA plants that have been allocated in your states, 53 have been commissioned. I request all the states to set up these PSA oxygen plants at the earliest. Employ a senior officer for this work specially and get this work done in a mission mode within 15 to 20 days. Friends, there is another concern about children as well. We have to make full preparations from our side to protect the children from corona infection. Friends, we are witnessing a rapid increase in cases in many European countries in the last 2 weeks. Cases are also increasing very fast if we look in the West, whether it is countries of Europe or America, or in the East in countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar, Indonesia, and Thailand. In fact, somewhere there has been an increase of 4 times, somewhere 8 times, and somewhere 10 times. This is a warning to the entire world and to us as well. We have to remind people repeatedly that Corona has not disappeared from among us. The pictures that are emerging from most of the places after unlocking add to this concern even more. I shared my concern with all the friends of the Northeast regarding this. Today also, I want to re emphasize that point again. The states which have joined us today, there are many big metropolitan cities and they are very densely populated. We have to keep this in mind as well. We have to be alert and strict to prevent crowding in public places. We need to create awareness among people continuously by taking the help of other political parties, social organizations, NGOs, and civil society. I am sure that your extensive experience will be of great use in this direction. Thank you very much for taking out time for this important meeting. As mentioned by all the respected chief ministers, I am available every moment and in touch with all. I will always be available in future also so that we can save our respective states in this campaign together and to save mankind from this crisis. I wish you all the very best. Thanks a lot. Stop.